This is how you're going to forward HTTP to HTTPS with free SSL and Hostinger. So step one is you're going to go to your Hostinger hpanel. So from your Google or your browser, you're just going to type in hpanel.hostinger.com from the address bar, and then from here, it will take you to the Hostinger dashboard. You're just going to sign in or sign up to your account, and then from the dashboard, you're just going to click on a website from the left side panel. Now, once you're on your website page, you're going to click on Manage and then click on SSL. You're now going to activate the free SSL certificate if it's not installed yet. You're going to turn on the Force HTTPS option to automatically redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS. Now you're going to have to wait a few minutes and then open your site using HTTP, and then it should redirect to HTTPS automatically. If it doesn't work, you can just open File Manager, Public HTML, and then you're going to click on .htaccess and then make sure that you add a code that can change HTTP to HTTPS, which you can actually find online as well. Now after that, you're just going to save and refresh your site, and it should now load securely with HTTPS. And that's it. That is how you're going to forward HTTP to HTTPS with free SSL and Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.